All right, guys, we're taking a Friday poll here. How many of you woke up and said, and raise your hand, today's Friday, I'm off work, and I'm not wearing a bra today? Let me show you what I got going on today. Look at there. I am parboiling some ribs. I'm making some barbecued ribs today, and these are just parboiled. I've got them, I've been boiling for about an hour. We're gonna do some ribs today, and we're not gonna do just any ribs. Let me get myself up there. My hair is a mess. But we're gonna do some Carolina Gold. We're gonna do some Carolina Gold ribs today. I feel like doing something a little bit different. So that's what I'm filming today. So hopefully I'll have this video up for you before the weekend's over with. What you think about that? All right, I have been to my local farmer's market in my little town here in the great state of Ohio. I was so excited to go today. Absolutely excited to go today. They have an abundance of fresh produce. I was just so absolutely tickled to death over it. I'm gonna show you what I got. I got me a couple big green tomatoes. I'm gonna fry some green tomatoes today. Today I wanted to cook out, but my husband's like, I'm not cooking on the grill today because it's too hot. So if you want cooked on the grill, cook on the grill, you're gonna have to do it yourself. And I thought, no, my makeup's looking too good, so I'm not getting out there and sweating like a whore in Sunday school. But anyway, I'm making some soup beans. I have been wanting soup beans forever, so I'm gonna make me some soup beans and cornbread, and some fried potatoes, and fried green tomatoes. That's some good eating. And I bought those 2 big tomatoes, and I bought me some big old bunch of half-runner green beans. I'm going to make those tomorrow. I couldn't make up my mind if I wanted green beans today, or I love to make a big pot of green beans. That way, look how full these beans are. I love fresh green beans. A big old pot of them. I can eat on them all week. I love them, love them, love them. I also got some fresh ripe tomatoes. Look at that. Oh, they're so pretty. They smell so good. I love fresh tomatoes. I got 4 of those. And I got some fresh peaches. My son Nick loves fresh peaches, so I got a big old thing of them. And I tell you what, they're expensive. Oh, I wish you could smell these. As soon as you pull up to that place and you get out of your car, you can smell those peaches. That's the first thing you smell. And I also got 2 big cantaloupes. I love cantaloupes. I love going to this place. It's called Bear's Melon Farm, and they have everything. They had white cherries, the red cherries, big cherries, and they had peaches, of course. They had raspberries, blueberries, strawberries, green beans, 2 different kinds of green beans. They had like 3 or 4 different kinds of cucumbers. I didn't show you my cucumbers. I gotta show you my baby cucumbers. These baby cucumbers was like $2.25 a pound, and I love these. Are perfect. Like that, little baby cucumbers. I love to snack these things. Love them, love them, love them. I spent $37, and you know it's well worth it. I spent $100 there on this. I wouldn't care. Okay, this is jaw bacon here, and this is smoked, and this is fresh salt pork. Normally I like to put in, oh, I forget what those are called. What are those things called? I can't remember what they are. But I couldn't find any, so I'm putting these in my beans. So we're going to put just a couple slices of the salt pork. And these are going to season them so well. I can also use the salt pork to put in my green beans. Kind of hard to cut. And this is smoked, so it'll give it a nice smoky flavor. Look at that. Oh, look at the fat. Oh, it's going to render so much flavor. Beautiful. Here, let's see what Randy has to eat, okay?
Box of White Castles.
Box of White Castles. That's what he's having. Box of White Castles. You don't know what good food is.
If you don't like White Castles, you're stupid.
Well, everybody likes White Castle. I said everybody likes White Castle.
It's like you don't like White Castle, you're stupid.
Shit, I'm getting this all over the place. I've got my beans ready. I want you to look at that. I'm mixing the Great Northern with the pinto beans. And I've got a nice big onion in there. And I put some 3 little cubes of the chicken bouillon. And I'm going to add some of the salt pork and the jaw bacon. That's smoked. Ham hock. That's what I was trying to think of. That's what I usually like to use, is ham hock, but I couldn't find any at the grocery store.
Hog balls.
Hog balls. We're gonna have some hog balls. We're gonna have some hog balls and grits. And then I'm gonna add some water. And we're gonna fill it all the way up to the top. Sometimes I use chicken stock, but today I'm not, because that's why I put the bouillons in there, the little chicken bouillons. Oh, these are gonna be so
Why
good.
wouldn't you use beef bouillon?
Huh?
Why wouldn't you use beef bouillon?
You would use beef bouillon if you were cooking all pinto beans, but I'm not. I've got the Great Northern beans. Look at all those onions dancing around in there.
So great about them.
I know. I can't wait to smell these things cooking. And then I'm going to put a nice big heaping. What in the hell is all my bacon grease? Don't lick my salt pork. A bacon grease in there. Yes, nice and healthy. How you feel about going to band camp?
No cameras, please.
You come give your daughter a hug? We'll hug her again. There you go.
I'm not Britney Spears leaving for the airport.
No, Brittany's snack pack ain't that big.
Let's look at your snack pack. Good Lord, look at the snack pack on that thing.
Are you done?
Huh?
Are you done?
Is it time to go already?
Yes. What are you doing?
Are you sad?
Yeah.